In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently mass delete emails on Gmail, a process that can save you a ton of time and help you maintain an organized inbox. If you find that your Gmail inbox is constantly overflowing and you're spending far too long sorting through old messages, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring that you can follow along easily, even if you're not too familiar with the process. First, you'll want to log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, assess the state of your inbox and decide what you aim to delete. This could be a whole category of emails like promotions or social notifications, or perhaps emails older than a specific date. Knowing this in advance can make the process smoother. Now, navigate to the search bar at the top of your Gmail interface. This is where you can leverage the power of Gmail's search operators to fine-tune what you want to delete. For example, if you're looking to remove emails from a particular sender, you would type "from" followed by the email address. Alternatively, if you want to clear out all emails from a certain time period, you can use "before" and a date. Once you've entered your search criteria, press Enter, and you'll see Gmail filter and display all the emails that match your search. Now comes the mass selection process. Look for a small box at the top left corner of your list of emails. Click this box and you'll notice that all the emails on the current page are selected. However, if you want to select all the emails that match your search criteria, not just the ones on the first page, you should see a small notification at the top of your email list. This notification will let you select all conversations that match the search. Click on this link to do that. Before you commit to deleting these emails, double-check the list to ensure you're not inadvertently deleting important messages. Once you're satisfied with the selection, look for the trash bin icon, usually located just above your email list. Clicking this will move all your selected emails into the trash. It's important to know that while moving emails to the trash will remove them from your inbox, they aren't permanently deleted right away. Gmail holds onto these emails in the trash folder for 30 days, just in case you change your mind and need to recover something. Remember, keeping your inbox organized not only helps in focusing on what's important, but also enhances your overall productivity. Enjoy the feeling of tackling clutter digitally. It's a step towards achieving peace of mind in your everyday digital life. I hope this guide has offered you a streamlined method for managing your emails effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.